Okay, so let's go do this problem with number 8. So remember, probability between 0 and 1. This time my alpha is 0.02 and my p-value is 0.0198. So you see how it's still between 0 and alpha? So we are going to reject the HO. We're going to go with HA. And so what would he do for him? I guess his recommendation is that P, that the proportion, whatever the portion is of, is less than 33%. Okay, so again, I like to draw my number line. And so the first alpha is going to be here at 0.02. Oops, it tells us it's 0.05, excuse me. 0.05. And my p-value is 0.025. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to change to another color. And they say 2%. Here it is. This is my new alpha, 0.02. And so would you recommend for Jim's conclusion if he were to change it? So what happened if he changed it? Do you see now is afterwards? So we would fail to reject. So when alpha is 0.05, we reject. When alpha is equal to 0.02, we fail to reject. Okay, so would you recommend to change his level of significance to? Okay, I don't know what this is trying to do. Would you recommend? What would you recommend if? Okay, so he would keep HO. Okay, there is evidence that the proportion has not changed. Oops, why did that do that? The proportion did not increase. Okay? Because we fail to reject, we stay with HO. All right, so here we have our HO and our HA already for us. And so a type point error would be is that HO is true, but we decide to go with HA. So we feel that a lot more people know this athlete than really do. So we conclude that more than 25% of the audience knows this athlete when in fact what? They don't. Okay, so now a type 2 error would be just the opposite. We conclude that the is not well known when in fact he is. Okay, so here I ask you which is more severe. And this is totally up to you. If you decide that type 1 error is more severe, is that you would say here that the company is paying for an advertisement and they're not going to get they're not going to profit from it because people do not know the athlete. Now, a type 2 error, the consequence of that would be is that they're losing out on an opportunity to earn, to get people to buy their product because they thought that the athlete wasn't well known when in fact he is. So I don't care which one you answer. It's just that you just have to be able to justify it.